jacket, hoodie on, fucking wind blowing. G-Star Jordan 3s fly like bone. And now that I got everybody fucking attention, let's address this bitch ass nigga going to Kendrick. Say the album trash, nigga you full of gas, poke holes in you like you fill up a New York cab. Nigga and believe all into his feeling, cause he did 10 years for shooting at the ceiling. Then he gave you a meal, little nigga should've chilled. Cute curly sideburns talking about he real. Check my resume, any nigga wanted I bury him. But fuck this nigga, he can't get into America. I'm about to hit Brooklyn, fuck on this bitch Erica. Bust a nut, call a cabbie cut. After I tear it up, and we just met today. Gave her the pro, the day after election day. Bitch was on section 8, trying to get a section 8. I already came, it's a rap like electric tape. And Hurricane Sandy got this bitch lights out. She fell asleep, then her girl got piped out. And these the type hoes NBA niggas wife out. And these my side bitches, nigga, what your life out? Mine's about guns in the stash, the Christ piped out. That's a 300 seat, and Christ iced out. 3 kids, all 3 closets knifed out. And I'm bipolar, C40 Glock lights out. Word on the streets, bitch, niggas suing me. Sending cops to my door, nigga, how you a G? I ain't beefing with the pigs, this you and me. And I spit the same 16 that you eulogy. Off of a lung, where I'm from, Compton, son, ain't nothing nice. Cough up a lung, where I'm from, Compton, son, ain't nothing